I'm Battina from Germany. I stayed here for 2 weeks. Yeah, I just wanted to be a little bit nearer to the elephants and to learn something about them. All the elephant duties. I think it didn't change my view for conservation, but it was just good to see how it works in nature. Oh, I had a lot of elephant moments, but my favorite one was yesterday when I was there at the elephant point and just waiting for some other tourists, and then one of the elephants came and put his nose like on my chest. I was like, just good to feel them and have some time with them in some quiet minutes.
Leia.
Hi. Yeah, for me, I think it was just a little challenge, but I heard from the spiders here. So I was just watching every evening if there are some in my tent, but I was really lucky I hadn't one.
Okay.
Elephant, cheetahs, and giraffes. Yeah, I'm a little bit sad to leave, but yeah, I know I have a different life where else, so it's okay for me, and it's getting a bit better that I know that I can come back again. Yeah, come here, do a job, do a difference, and yeah, just take a time out with no mobile and just here in the nature doing some hard work. It's gonna be great.